Welcome to MRT. This is, I believe, Tuesday the 9th, or Wednesday the 9th. Wow, really? Wednesday the 9th. And these are what our bathrooms look like. This is the cleanliness of the bathroom. This is what it pretty much looks like on a daily basis. Down there's some toilet paper from over 10 months ago. This is, yeah, you can see that. And here's our other toilet that is never cleaned and is now missing the thing. There's the dirt. Oh, you see it? Yeah. This is how we live around here. This is what we pay for. Oh yeah. Love it? Fucking awesome. And these are our showers. Falling in the ground. Got it? Awesome. Pews galore. This is how they have us. How they keep shit clean in here. Oh yeah, there. Ooh, yeah, look at that. Sweet and broken shower. Sweet.